Welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about the internet. The internet is like a huge network that connects billions of computers and devices all around the world. It's kind of like a superhighway for information, where people can send messages, share pictures, watch videos, and do lots of other things. Just like how roads and highways help us travel from one place to another, the internet helps us connect and communicate with people and information from anywhere in the world. When you use the internet, your computer or device connects to other computers through cables, wires, or wireless signals. This allows you to access websites, send emails, play games, and do many other things online. The internet is always changing and growing with new websites, apps, and services being added all the time. Overall, the internet is a powerful tool that has changed the way we live, work, and communicate. It has opened up new possibilities for learning, entertainment, and connecting with others, making the world feel smaller and more connected than ever before. So, that's all for this lesson. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you.